All right, hi you guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. So today I'm doing a review on Royalty Superficial Cosmetics. This is her promo packages. Now, she did put fragile on the box, but you know USPS be rough with the packages. So this is the inside of the packaging. It says thank you for shopping with us, and it has her logo in the center of the box. I'm so excited, y'all. I've been traveling and I've been had this package. Oh, it looks so pretty. So this is how it looks right here. I love stuff. So this is how it looks right here when you open it. And I'm gonna go through everything that's in the box. So the first thing, this is what I'm assuming that spilled, was the skin gloss, the nourishing powerful sunflower cuckoo. It's the mango pom-pom scent. So I'm assuming this is what spilled, but oh yeah, it's a little open. But y'all, the shine. Ooh, and this is so good for the summertime. Ooh. And it smells like, oh, it smells so good. It smells like mango. And it just makes my hands so shiny. Just off of what spilled in the box. So yes, I did get the mango box. I love mango stuff. Oh, it's another one. So yeah, that one spilled, but she sent two. Oh my God. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get all this stuff off. But this is the shine of it. You can see it is very shiny, and it's y'all, it smells so good. It smells like mango. Like, it smells like mango. I get a lot of products that it smells more like oil or butter than the actual mango. Ooh, she really sent me a tropical box because she know like I love stuff tropical. So then I have the body custard, the creamy body exfoliator. This is the pineapple breeze right here, and the 8 ounce. Ooh, she got some good stuff. Y'all, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. And it's like an exfoliant. I cannot wait to use that in the shower. It's real gritty, as you can see, but that's what an exfoliant is. Oh my God. Y'all, this stuff smells so good. It smells so good. So I got the Skin Glow and the Mango Pom-Pom, and then the Body Custard, which is a creamy body exfoliator, and Pineapple Breeze. So I got mango. I got pineapple, y'all. And then I got the Body Souffle and Pineapple Breeze as well. So this is the Body Souffle, and I'm gonna show you the texture of this right here. This is the Body Souffle right here, and then it's more like a butter right here. Hold on, there it goes. Oh, y'all, and just look. All her stuff is like really, really like moisturizing. Like, it's really, really moisturizing. Like, y'all, look at my hands. It's just really, really moisturizing. This is a big promo box. Oh my God. So, oh, I have the Mango Pom-Pom and the Creamy Body Exfoliator too. So the Mango Pom-Pom actually comes in this purple color. Oh my God. 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 So yeah, that Mango Pom-Pom. And then Mango Pom-Pom, the Creamy Body Butter. So this is it. Come on, camera, focus. So I must have ordered the pineapple and the mango. So I got a pineapple. So I got the pineapple and mango body souffles. Y'all, these smell so good. Pineapple and mango body souffles. the pineapple and mango exfoliator. So these would be amazing in the freaking shower or just washing your hands. And then I ain't gonna lie, I'm so glad she sent 2 of these because I love anything with like oil. Oh, one was pineapple and mango. So yeah. So I pretty much got a pineapple and mango box. So yeah, most of the mango pom-poms spoiled out, but it's fine. Got plenty of the pineapple breeze. So y'all, the way my hands feel, my hands just feel soft. It feels shiny. It feels moisturized. And it's just making my nails just pop, honestly. It's just making my nails pop. Y'all see my nails? It just makes my nails pop. So, all in all, it was packaged pretty good. The only thing that kind of wasted was the mango pom-pom oil. Everything else was pretty much dope. So, I ain't going to even hit her up and be like, girl, my box wasted. Because everything came pretty much. So, I'm so excited to use it. It smells, first of all, the box smells freaking amazing. The box smells freaking amazing. I have received body butters and souffles that kind of melted in transit. And honestly, I have been out of town for like 2 weeks. My box was honestly delivered like a week ago. So it's been sitting. And for stuff to still be like in motion, still intact, like that's A1. So the packaging is superb. You know, the labeling, the product labels, all that stuff is superb too. Because I've also had products as to where the labels and stuff was kind of melting because it wasn't water resistant labels. So in turn, it was just a really messy situation. But with her, y'all, my hands just smell so good. It just feels so moisturizing, so good. And my God, he been asking me to do his feet for the like past 2-3 days. So I think I'm gonna use this exfoliator on his foot. But y'all, this stuff smells freaking amazing. So yeah, make sure you guys go check out, I didn't get any of her business cards, but make sure you guys check out Royalty Cosmetics. I will leave her contact information in the description bar below, because y'all, if y'all don't get this based off the texture or the look, y'all gonna get it based off the smell. Because when I tell y'all, if y'all love like tropical stuff, like pineapple, mango stuff, this is going to be freaking this is gonna be freaking what you want. This is gonna be what you want. This is gonna be what you need. It's doing all it's supposed to give, giving all it's supposed to give. Like, y'all, this stuff is freaking amazing. But yeah, make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. And if you have any products, services, just anything you want me to review, anything you want me to go over, make sure you hit your girl up at Brits Watch Me on Instagram, or you can just leave in the comment section below, direct message me. You know, I have so many ways to contact me, sis. So yes, thank you guys for watching, and deuces.